Hello children, hope you all are safe. I'm Subhashri madam. Today I'm going to discuss a new lesson that is about the uses of a and the. So take out your grammar book and open to lesson number 10. See, the words a and the. These words are known as articles. Okay, a and the is known as articles. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So how many letters are there? No, there are 26 letters are there in English alphabet. So out of these letters, 5 letters are known as vowels. 5 letters are known as vowels. Let's see what are those 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. Then the remaining 21 letters. They are known as consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 21 letters are known as consonants. So 5 are known as vowels, are called as vowels, and 21 they are called as consonants. Okay. Now let's see the uses of these words. First come A. Now A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. So where we have to use this letter, this word A? Now before words beginning with a consonant sound. So whenever the sound will start from these all letters, then we can use A. Suppose a temple, T is coming. The consonant sound is also ta. So a temple, a doctor, da, a banana, ba, a cat, ka. So see, these all consonant sound will be there. Okay. Then comes about the use of N. Used before words beginning with a vowel sound. So whenever vowel sound will be there, then only we can use N. Or silent H. So there are some words where we don't pronounce the letter H. We keep it silent. We will go look at some examples. Okay. So N is used before a vowel sound. Whenever the vowel sound will be there, that means A, E, I, O, U, the sound will be there. Then we can say it is we can use N. Suppose an uncle, U is there, we are using. An X, A. An engine, E. An inkpot, E, inkpot. So there we use N. Now see about this silent letter H. See, here is a word would start from H. Okay. So that we don't pronounce as hour. We don't pronounce hour. H is silent here and we pronounce as hour. So if by looking at this H you will write A, then it will be wrong. What will be the right one? No, an hour. So H is silent over here. Okay. H is silent. We don't pronounce H. Hour we don't say. We say hour. So the correct one will be an hour. Okay. Like that. Another one. A honest man. We don't say ho. Ho pronunciation, H pronunciation is not there. And it will also be wrong. A honest man we don't say. We say an honest. This is not pronounced as ho. This is pronounced as O. An honest man. Clear? So these are the where we will use N? Now when the vowel sound will be there. First you pronounce and see whether the sound is of consonant sound or it's a vowel sound, then only you have to put a or n. Clear? Now see about the use of the. The means only one will be there. Okay? And used for things that are only one of its kind. Only one will be there. No more than that. उसके अलावा और दूसरा नहीं. This is the only one thing. That means it is specific or particular thing. Whenever there is specific or particular thing will be there, then we use the. Okay. So all these words are used in only one thing. Wherever one naming word will be there. Okay. See, the moon. Why the moon? The moon is only one. उसके अलावा दूसरा नहीं है. द ताजमहल, वन ताजमहल है, स्पेसिफिक. द बाइबल इज अ होली बुक. So the specific ocean also one. So one of its kind will be there. Then only we will use the. Clear? Okay. So underline in your book that, see, you use n before words that start with a vowel sound. Underline this. Then we use n before a word that starts with a vowel sound here also. And a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Just now I said. And for things that are only one of their kind, we use the. Okay, specific things will be there or a particular thing, then we will use the. Clear? And another thing underlined here, we use a or n when we talk about only one thing. Only one thing will be there and all should be common nouns. Okay? And we do not use a or n when we talk about more than one thing. So whenever there is more than one thing will be there, we don't use a or n. Underline this sentence also. Okay. So rest, the answers, I will share it in the WhatsApp group. Till then, stay safe and stay at your home.